Hi, my name is Tim Schobel, and I'm a NetSuite consultant with Business Solution Partners. And today we're going to be discussing the process for publishing a dashboard. So when you log into NetSuite, you are presented with your dashboard. The dashboard describes the appearance under each of these center tabs up here. This blue ribbon that stretches across the top of the screen is called your center. The appearance under each of those tabs is called your dashboard. Under the Home tab, this is the Home dashboard. So this dashboard, if I'm not satisfied with its appearance, I can customize it as needed. I can click Personalize over here in the top right and add or remove portlets as needed. I can change the appearance of each of those portlets as I need to. So just, for example, a calendar portlet to a month appearance or a week appearance. I can add other KPI meters or KPI scorecard portlets as needed. And I can also change the layout here. I can have the dashboard appear as 2 panels or 3 panels or a single panel, and that determines if the portlets stretch across the entire part of the screen or not. So to publish a dashboard, a user's role will require a particular permission called the Publish Dashboard permission. That can be found under the Setup permissions on the role record. And that is a permission that is only full permission, so it's either available to you or it isn't. And there's this Publish Dashboard option if you have it. So if you don't see this option when attempting to publish a dashboard, contact your NetSuite administrator, or usually it would be an administrator assigning themselves the role and publishing the dashboard to other users with that role or or with a role associated with the same center type. So I'm logged in as the controller. I have this center here. If I was logged in as a different role, I might have a different center type, and therefore I might be presented with a different appearance. So I can publish this to other controllers if I want to, but I might not be able to publish it to a sales role, for example. So I'm going to, I'm satisfied with this appearance. I'm going to publish this dashboard to other controllers. So I'm going to click this option here. So first, I'm going to give this a name. I'll call this CSP Controller US. I can give it an ID. I can give this some notes if I want to. And I've got some information here. I have the ability to apply this to roles and apply to tabs. So on the Apply to Roles option here, I can pick a role to which I will apply this dashboard. So I want all US controllers, for example, to be able to see this custom dashboard. And I have the ability to override existing user settings here. So what that means is if I check this option, and it's just a checkbox here, that means that this dashboard is going to overwrite the dashboard of users already assigned this role. Whereas if I had this unchecked, it would only apply to users newly assigned this role. I'm going to add that, and I can add additional roles here to whom I would publish this dashboard. Once I'm satisfied with my selection there, I'm going to navigate to the Apply to Tabs sub-tab here. And this is showing me all the tabs, as in the tabs associated with the center. So if I customize the appearance under any of these, maybe I only want to publish the appearance of the Home dashboard to all controller users in the United States. Or maybe I want to publish all of them. I also have these options here for the mode of the published dashboard: unlocked, locked, or add move content, and those are described here. If it is published in an unlocked state, the users can continue to personalize the dashboard without restriction. If published in a locked state, users cannot make any changes to the published dashboard. And if it is in a add or move content state, that just means that users can't remove any any portlet, for example, that might be sitting on their dashboard, but they can continue to personalize it as needed by moving it around or adding additional portlets. Once I'm satisfied with this here, confirm that the appearance under each of these tabs is correct, I just can click Save. This is a warning here because most roles are already associated with the dashboard. This is just warning you that you're going to be overwriting this dashboard, any dashboard associated with this role. So I'm just going to click OK. And we can see now that that has been applied. Now, if I go to this role from the administrator, we'll see that this custom dashboard has been published to it. So I'll just log in as the administrator. Okay, so now I'm in here as the administrator. I'm just going to find that role and verify that the dashboard has been published to it. Going here to set up users roles, manage roles. I'm going to find that role to which I published the dashboard. This US controller role here. We can see these center types, how these roles are grouped by center type, either they have the executive center or accounting center and so on. And here, I will just go to the dashboard subtab and we can see that that dashboard has been published to this role. I also just want to quickly draw your attention to the permissions and set up subtab of that. And we can see the published dashboards permission here. And that's really the process. A user can change the appearance of any of the center tabs, usually changing the appearance of the home screen here. An administrator might want to have all their controllers seeing certain pertinent information, and they want to publish that dashboard to all their controllers. A way to do that would be for the administrator to assign themselves the controller role, make sure that the controller role has the published dashboards permission, log in with that role, change the appearance of the dashboard as needed, and publish the dashboard to other users with that role using the process that we just showed. So that's really it for publishing a dashboard.